Eat right, get more benefits. You eat seeds, but are you eating them the right way?
Flax seeds are loaded with omega-3, fiber, and lignans, great for heart health, digestion, and hormones. Grind before eating. Whole flax just passes through, grind them to get full benefits.
Chia seeds are rich in omega-3, fiber, and protein, great for energy, digestion, and hydration. Soak before you eat. Soak for 20 to 30 minutes. Dry chia can swell inside your tummy. Pumpkin seeds roast lightly. Lightly roasted pumpkin seeds are a crunchy, healthy snack. Pumpkin seeds are rich in protein, magnesium, and antioxidants, great for heart, immunity, and sleep.
Sunflower seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants that support heart, skin, and immune health. Avoid the salt. 2 bowls. 1 with raw, 1 with salty roasted. Eat them raw or lightly roasted. Skip the salty versions.
Sesame seeds boost bone health, balance hormones, and are packed with calcium and healthy fats. Roasted sesame being sprinkled on veggies, chutneys, laddus, or desserts for a tasty boost.
Seeds are small but mighty impact. Eat right, stay healthy, and don't forget to like, share or follow.